Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your income with NerdWallet, full guide step by step clearly. To manage your income effectively, start by assessing your financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including your salary, freelance work, and any side gigs. Next, log into your NerdWallet account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Utilize the dashboard to get an overview of your finances. Add your income sources manually if they are not automatically tracked. Now, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage, and subscriptions. Variable expenses might include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Input your expenses into the NerdWallet budgeting tool. Set realistic financial goals based on your income and expense tracking. Review your spending habits weekly to ensure you stay on track. Use NerdWallet's financial calculators to help visualize your goals. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Consider using a zero-based budgeting approach to manage every dollar. Monitor your savings and adjust your budget as needed. Take advantage of investment tools offered by NerdWallet to grow your income. Regularly check for any changes in your income or expenses to stay updated. Create an emergency fund if you haven't done so already. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Finally, review your financial plan periodically to adjust for any life changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.